So for the first time ever in human history, blockchain technology allowed us to have a record that couldn't be changed afterwards. And that's what makes it powerful for triple entry accounting. And the idea of triple entry accounting is to have a third entry, thus the triple, which is recorded on a blockchain immutably when there are transactions between parties. So when there's a sale, when there's a purchase, when there's a quotation, when there's an agreement, anything, there's a record that is kept in the blockchain, so that neither party after the agreement can then fiddle it. And that means that the need for third parties like auditors and banks is much reduced. When companies, when they're audited, not only a fraction of the transactions are ever looked at by the auditors, because typically in any company of any size, the transactions are far too many for an auditor to look at every single one. And they can't get confirmation from the other party anyway that it's correct.